shall become my temple, and I shall not be disturbed or moved to another place.
Realizing the wishes of Lord Ram as unchangeable, the Rani Mahal becomes the Raja Ram Mandir, where thousands of devotees from all strata of life come to offer prayers. In the new Chaturbhuj temple, an image of Lord Vishnu is installed. Madhukar Shah had 8 sons, and after his death, the Orchha kingdom is inevitably divided into 8 parts. Initially, the eldest son, Ram Shah, occupies Orchha, but it is the more ambitious son, Bir Singh, who finally takes over Orchha with the help of powerful political allegiance.
Hail the pride of Bundelkhand, Bir Singh Deo of Badoni. Please accept Champat Rai's humble greeting.
Welcome, Champat Rai. What news do you bring of Delhi?
Maharaj, the Mughal Emperor Akbar is still in the Deccan and is planning to teach you a lesson.
Champat Rai, thrice we have taught Akbar's toadies a lesson by routing their armies. What lesson can they teach us? If you have any further news, please enlighten me.
Yes, of course, Maharaj. I have a very special news for you. Prince Salim has rebelled against his father and fled Delhi. And I also know from reliable sources that he is camping in the Prayag fort. What is it that makes you so thoughtful, Bir Singh Ji?
I was thinking, Champat Rai, why don't I make friends with Salim? After all, he will be the Emperor of Hindustan one day.
That's a good thought.
If we show solidarity with Salim now, I am sure he will be of use to us in the future. I think we should go and meet Salim at Prayag.
That's excellent and a very sound reasoning.
The plan works perfectly. Bir Singh's meeting with Salim turns out to be a blessing, as Salim is keen to make friends with Bir Singh. The two spend pleasant days together in Prayag until they hear of the Mughal Emperor Akbar dispatching a huge army under Sheikh Abul Fazl to teach his rebel son a lesson.
You have no cause to worry, Prince Salim. I have plenty of experience in fighting the Mughal army.
Bir Singh, my friend, I have long been an admirer of the valor and spirit of the Bundelas. And I am sure that as long as you are here, I do not have to fear Abul Fazl and his likes.
And I am sure that Prince Salim will remain ever faithful to his friends. Allow me to return to Badauni and prepare for battle. I give you my word, we shall certainly be triumphant, and Abul Fazl will not live to tell the tale of this battle.
A ferocious battle rages between the Bundela and Mughal armies near Narbar. The Bundelas are victorious, and as per his promise, Bir Singh sends Abul Fazl's severed head to Prince Salim. A few days later, Champat Rai comes to Badauni, looking very pleased with himself.
Congratulations and felicitations, Bir Singh Ji. Prince Salim has appointed you the governor of Badoni, and along with his good wishes, he has sent the entire paraphernalia for your coronation ceremonies.
Bir Singh's 7 brothers, Indrajit is the closest to him. Not only does he live here with Bir Singh, but also manages the affairs of the court during the ruler's absence. And like his brother and father, Indrajit too loves the arts and poetry, with music having a special place in his heart. There are several dancers and singers in Indrajit's court, but the most gracious, intelligent, beautiful and talented is Rai Praveen.
What a performance!
Thank you, my
Rai
lord.
Praveen has outdone herself today. What do you say, Indrajit Singh Ji?
I agree with you all on her performance. Rai Praveen has no equal in the realm. She is the greatest singer and dancer in the country. I plan to build a magnificent palace just for Rai Praveen, right here next to the Orchha fort.
You are too kind, my lord.
You are not aware of your eminence, Rai Praveen. Your fame has spread far and wide. Even the rulers in Agra will soon hear of you.
My lord, please accept my heartfelt gratitude.
Indrajit is not wrong. Stories of her enchanting beauty and endowments inevitably spread far and wide, finally reaching the imperial Mughal court. Smitten, the Mughal emperor orders her presence in the court. There is pandemonium in Orchha. Rai Praveen refuses to go to Agra, and the entire city is with her. Indrajit is heartbroken. But how can anyone afford to ignore imperial orders? It is tantamount to inviting the lion into your den. Indrajit persuades Rai Praveen to go to Agra. On her very first outing in the Mughal court, Rai Praveen expresses her disdain for the emperor by composing and reciting a verse.
Come all the way from
What did she say?
Dogs and crows and the scavenging crew dine on the leavings of others. Tell me, my emperor, and tell me true, which of these 3 pariah creatures are you?
Kudos, Rai Praveen. Emperor of Hindustan is now completely bowled over by your courage. You are right. Only dogs, crows, and the beggars lick a despoiled platter. You have made me aware of my error. Prime Minister, I order you to make arrangements to take Rai Praveen back to Orchha tomorrow. She shall be escorted home with proper gifts and due honor. Court is dismissed.
Gets the message and allows her to return to Orchha.